Welcome to Today in History. Get ready to journey through time as we unveil 20 mind-blowing events that happened on October 11th throughout history. From historic firsts to groundbreaking achievements, this date is packed with surprises that'll leave you astonished. So grab a comfy seat, hit the subscribe button, and let's dive into the past together. Number 20. On October 11th, 1811, the Juliana, the world's first steam-powered ferryboat, began operation in New York City. Commuters got a steaming hot upgrade. Talk about making waves in public transportation. Number 19. On October 11th, 1884, Eleanor Roosevelt was born. She became the longest-serving First Lady and a champion for human rights. Proof that behind every great man is an even greater woman. Number 18. On October 11th, 1968, Apollo 7 was launched, becoming NASA's first successful manned Apollo mission. 3 astronauts took a 163-orbit joyride around Earth. No moon yet, but they were over the moon. Number 17. On October 11th, 1975, Saturday Night Live premiered on NBC. Live from New York, it's the show that gave us countless laughs and more cowbell. Number 16. On October 11th, 1984, astronaut Kathryn D. Sullivan became the first American woman to perform a spacewalk. She took giant leaps for womankind, proving spacewalks aren't just for the guys. Number 15. On October 11th, 1910, former U.S. President Theodore Roosevelt became the first U.S. president to fly in an airplane. He took the bully pulpit to new heights, literally soaring above politics. Number 14. On October 11th, 2000, NASA launched its 100th Space Shuttle mission, STS-92. They hit a cosmic century before cricket did. Mission accomplished. Number 13. On October 11th, 1899, the Second Boer War began between the British Empire and the Boers in South Africa. A not-so-friendly game of tug-of-war over gold and diamonds. Number 12. On October 11th, 1987, the first National Coming Out Day was celebrated in the U.S., a day when closets became passé and rainbows ruled the runway. Number 11. On October 11th, 1962, Pope John XXIII convened the Second Vatican Council, initiating major reforms in the Catholic Church. Even the Vatican knows when it's time for a makeover. Number 10. On October 11th, 1958, NASA launched Pioneer 1, its first spacecraft. It didn't reach the moon, but hey, baby steps, or should we say baby orbits. Number 9. On October 11th, 2002, former U.S. President Jimmy Carter won the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts in finding peaceful solutions to international conflicts. Proof that nice guys can finish first. Number 8. On October 11th, 1890, the Daughters of the American Revolution was founded in Washington, D.C., a group where lineage meets liberty and probably some epic tea parties. Number 7. On October 11th, 1975, Bill Clinton and Hillary Rodham tied the knot. A political power couple said, "I do," and the rest is history, and a lot of headlines. Number 6. On October 11th, 1983, the last hand-cranked telephones in the U.S. went out of service as 440 customers in Bryant Pond, Maine, switched to direct dial. Farewell, cranking. Hello, dialing. Number 5. On October 11th, 1138, the Aleppo earthquake in Syria killed an estimated 230,000 people. One of the deadliest earthquakes in history. Mother Nature was in a seriously bad mood. Number 4. On October 11th, 1942, World War II. The Battle of Cape Esperance began between Japanese and American forces in the Solomon Islands. A nighttime naval clash where surprises were the main course. Number 3. On October 11th, 1976, members of China's Gang of Four were arrested, marking the end of the Cultural Revolution. When a quartet falls out of tune, the whole orchestra notices. Number 2. On October 11th, 1986, Reagan and Gorbachev met in Reykjavik, Iceland, for a summit that nearly led to nuclear disarmament. Almost the best cold call ever made. Number 1. On October 11, 2018, the Soyuz MS-10 mission to the ISS made an emergency landing after a booster failure. Astronauts survived a wild ride, proving that not all space trips go smoothly. And that's a wrap on October 11th's most astonishing events. If these fascinating tidbits sparked your curiosity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more time-traveling adventures. Share your favorite October 11th moment in the comments below. We can't wait to hear which one blew your mind.